Best bagged vacuum cleaner. The best bagged vacuum cleaner depends on your needs and budget, but some of the best rated bagged vacuum cleaners on the market include Miele Complete C3 Marin. This premium upright vacuum is known for its powerful suction, long lifespan, and effective filtration system. It also comes with a variety of attachments to make cleaning different surfaces a breeze. Kenmore Intuition Bagged. This mid-priced upright vacuum is a good option for those who are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner. It has a HEPA filter to trap allergens, and it comes with a variety of attachments. BISSELL BigGreen Commercial Power Force Bagged. This heavy-duty upright vacuum is perfect for homes with pets or a lot of dirt and debris. It has a powerful motor and a large dirt bag capacity. Hoover Tunnel Max Bagged. This upright vacuum is a good value for the price. It has a HEPA filter and a variety of attachments. Auric Magnesium Rupees Bagged. This upright vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a HEPA filter and a long cord for added convenience. If you are allergic to dust or dander, a bagged vacuum cleaner is a better option than a bagless vacuum cleaner. This is because the bag helps to trap allergens and prevent them from being released back into the air. When choosing a bagged vacuum cleaner, it is important to consider the following factors. Suction power. The suction power should be strong enough to pick up dirt, dust, and debris from all types of surfaces. Filtration system. The filtration system should be effective at trapping allergens and other pollutants. Ease of use. The vacuum cleaner should be easy to maneuver and empty. Attachments. The vacuum cleaner should come with a variety of attachments to make cleaning different surfaces a breeze. Price. Bagged vacuum cleaners can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. It is important to set a budget before you start shopping. Best bagged vacuum.